Alright, we are back. Do apologize about that. Dude, that was super crazy. My, not only did my connection drop, but my adapters went down. I don't know if that's a Gen 2 thing or what the hell just happened, but, yeah, that's not cool. Yeah, my, my adapter went down. Hey, what's up? What's up, Ben? Yeah, sorry about that, Darth. When I switched over, my damn, my Ethernet adapter, like, it went down. It wasn't my internet at that time. So I'm gonna keep my Ethernet and my wireless up just in case, like, one of them decides to take a shit. At least I'll have a backup. We've been working on, Ben. I'm gonna check out that Storm OS. I don't know when. I'm not giving you any promises or anything, but I will check it out. And I'll give you some honest, like, feedback. Can't wait to see my review. I mean, it might be good. It might be, might not be good. I don't know. I'll give you. It has the best wallpapers. All right. I'll give you an honest feedback. I'm not gonna be too harsh, but that'll be cool. So what are you doing, Ben? What's the? I know you said you're the lead developer on it, but what are you actually doing? Just like maintaining like the packages and everything, or editing configuration files? Okay, okay, that's cool. If if there's any addition that I need to check out, which one is it? Which one, in your opinion, is the best, like, flushed out, like, addition? 'Cause I know you said on DT stream that you have, like, what, the XFC. Okay, I'm gonna make a note. Actually, right now, I'm gonna make a note. Uh, Let's just call it checkout. Storm OS XFCE edition. I can type. Ben's OS. There we go. I got you down. So I got another video planned. Probably sometime tomorrow. I think I'm gonna do it, and then the next video I'll check it out. What else do we want to do here? I think. Oh. Yeah, man. Are you using it right now? That Storm OS? I need to fix DWM too, don't I? Oh, damn. Okay. So let's make directory. I'm gonna call this directory patches. Remove DWM. Scratch pads. Patches. Actually, we're gonna move all these damn diffs. After I remove the DWM scratch pad. Okay. Yeah, man, I'm a gamer myself, so I understand the pain. Absolutely hate dual booting. Like, I do, but Linux is just not there with games right now. I mean, it's getting better. It's better, but it's not. If you play games, you almost have to use Windows. And that's the truth. You only got you on your brother's computer? That's awesome. So you can keep Linux on your computer and just yeah, I agree, Ben. 100% agree. Oh, Darth, have you ever checked out Void Linux? It's pretty. If you have not, it's pretty damn good. It's fast, dude. Like even in a VM, I can probably boot it up in 4 seconds, 5 seconds. Like, it's yeah, dude, it's crazy. You ran Void before using Gentoo? What made you switch? Like, I wanna know, like, was it the init system? Was it package management system? Was it? Because I'm curious. Documents. We'll do a couple of things with DWM I need to go ahead and grab too. Hey, what's up, Hillbilly? So did you run it for like a long time, or did you only run it for like a month or something? Oh, okay, I got you. Was there any reason, or just for the fun of it? Okay, yeah, I get that. Even though I've been on Gen 2 now for what seems like forever and a day. I tell you what, if I was right now, if I was gonna switch to any Linux distro besides Gentoo, it'd probably be Void. I mean, I like Arch. I do. I like Arch's like I like their package management system and everything, but stuff seems to break. Wow, we got another Gentoo user. Cool. Nix OS, huh? All right. Might have to put that one down too. Let me I'm gonna make a note of it because if I don't make a note, I'll forget. Uh, Nix OS. Any specific one, Darth? And I'll just make this North recommends. What made you switch, Hillbilly? Was it just trying something new, or was it just kind of go with something a little bit more minimal? Got bored? Yeah. Kind of how I'm feeling like a little bit with Gentoo is like, because I ran Gentoo for so long. Like, I feel like other than like configuring like window managers and everything, like the package management system, I don't I don't know. There's no challenge, you know. Um, and being a content creator and everything, like it gets a little hard sometimes, like thinking of stuff to come up with. Don't say that. Watch your videos for Gentoo advice. I'm trying, man. I'm trying. I'm trying to create something. It's like, but after you get past like the initial thing of it, you know, like the way the packages are handled and all of that stuff, like it's just another Linux distro, you know. All right, so I'll put don't matter. There we go. All right, Darth, I got you down. Some great ideas. Let's see, what do I need? I got Swallow. I need this tray. Got auto start. Got Swallow. Guess we need key cords as well. Got per tag. Already have that. Restart sig. We got that. We could do something with the status at the top. Oh yeah, vanity gaps. I can do full gaps or we can do vanity. I don't know what the difference is. We'll do vanity. As above, CFAX with CFAX. You guys ever run DWM? Ah, okay, okay. You have not. I know you haven't been. You like XFCE. Yeah, I'll just go with this one, I guess. Well, put this. anything new that you guys have been doing besides testing out more software? Ben over here's been putting some work in, man. Are you the lead developer now, or are you just like helping out? Oh, you've been trying to configure Emacs without using Doom? Oh my god. How's that been? You're gonna get that like fucked up pinky, man. Like that DT always talks about. You're the lead guy now, huh, Ben? You guys got a GitHub or GitLabs? Oh damn, okay, so you've been working on this project for quite a while, huh? You're gonna install evil mode. You just want to get a minimal config. Yeah. How do you how's the configuration going? Like is it hard? Is it kind of easy? I mean, I look at DT's config and it's just like it's insane. I need to go through like half of his stuff and just delete the crap that I don't use, like the calendar and everything that he has. All right, I'm gonna do it. I'll download that later. Okay, I'll get you. I gotta say, Ben, I like the website. Pretty nice. Nice and simple. I like that. I was going to download the ISO, but I decided not to because I didn't want to kill the stream. Okay. Hey, give me 2 seconds here. I need to go get me something to drink. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. Had to get me another beer here. I don't have a bottle opener, and unfortunately, these beers require a bottle opener, so I had to use like the cabinet, the corner of the cabinet. You also move things like Zoom and certain packages to Chimeras, so some of those included apps are not in ISO by default. Oh, cool. Okay. Well, good. That's good. Uh, yeah, yeah. You don't want a lot of crap in the ISO. Patch one is we'll do the big one. Hi Vanity Gas, right? Just installed Qtile. Any color schemes you can recommend? I like the Doom color scheme, to be honest. Doom color scheme and the Dracula color scheme is good. Hillbilly said, was Doom Emacs hard to install in Gentoo? No, it was not hard to install. But there's a lot of things that you kind of need to add. So I'll show you what I did. Should be able to read it as normal user here. What is it? Portage? No, it's package.use at Emacs. Yeah, so here's what I did, Hillbilly. So first off, if you run dual monitor, do not install the thing with GTK support. Use the Athena. Use Athena support instead. Let me switch over. Sorry about that. But here, yeah, do not use GTK. Use Athena. And then I use Cario, Dynamic Loading, GUI, Harfuzz, ImageMagick, and JIT. Now, JIT will want you to recompile GCC with JIT compiler, the JIT with it too. So that might take a little while. But mostly it was just adding a bunch of flags. The most important thing I can tell you though is just don't use GTK support if you got dual monitor or triple monitor, because GTK is kind of garbage for Emacs, at least on Gentoo. But that's pretty much what I did, and then I did cat, and then if we do cat and we look at my GCC stuff, as you can see, I also have the JIT for GCC as well. So that's really the only thing I did, and then just go to the Doom website and run their configuration script. And then if you don't feel like configuring anything, then do what I did and grab DT's, all his Doom Emacs stuff and install it and run it. But yeah, it's pretty damn easy. But here's DT's here's his little configuration script here. The biggest thing with Emacs too is that you never want to start Emacs like this. Like you never want to do this in a terminal. Because it just takes forever for Emacs to start up. You never want to do that. You always get a keybind or set a keybind or something, and then have Emacs start the daemon, and then use Emacs client. Emacs client minus C, and then it'll. I mean, it's super quick. It's super fast to start up when you do that. Oh. Alright. Looks like I killed the daemon. Emacs, daemon. There we go. But yeah, that's really my only recommendation. But eventually what I'm going to do with DT's config, if we look at his config, like he just has, I mean, he has a ton of shit in here. Some of this stuff, I'll never use half of this stuff. Like calendar, right? I'm probably not ever going to use this. Ever. And he just has, like, Centaur tabs. Elf feed. I don't use an RSS feeder, news feeder. EMMS. Like, he has a bunch of stuff in here. And I get it, you know, but I'm eventually gonna go through this and just delete half of this crap. I gotta admit though, it's a nice configuration file. He put a lot of work into it. Alright, alright. There's a static void file. We want to get rid of this line. I screwed up. Static void file. Okay. And then Oh man, I gotta remove all this too. Void tile. Okay. Static void tile. Is it not in here? It should be in here. This is not in here. No, it's void tile, isn't it? Void tile. Sure. Yeah, I think it's not already in here. It says pattern doesn't match. I'm gonna go through it anyway. Yeah, Emacs is pretty cool. You might really like it. The thing is with Emacs too is like you're you don't use like you don't use like your terminal quite as much because you can do every single thing that you want to in Emacs. But once you start writing, I will tell you, once you start writing in org mode, you just everything that you write, you want to start writing like that. Like every configuration, you just want to do it like that. It's really, really hard to get away from like that mindset. Did I get rid of it? I'm always worried about these patches, man, because it's like it's supposed to be there, but it's not there. I think the auto patching worked to some degree. I don't see it. Oh, no. See, here it is. Over here, make sure. Yep. Delete. I can put this anywhere. Void. Toggle bar. Const. argv. Arg. This is weird, right? We might actually have to read the patch for this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to read the patch. I don't think it'll work either. Which one was it? Was it the documents? I need to clean some of this stuff up. Patches. There's cat DWM defect. Right here it says it added it, but right here it wants you to remove it. Yeah, so I don't know. That's odd. Because usually the configuration, I mean the patching is, I mean it's not always spot on, but better than that. Do it again. Try a different one. We try this one. I'm just gonna try the full gaps. I've done it before. I had it in my old config, 6.2. I don't know which ones. 2020. Um, I'm gonna look here. All right. Gonna copy our patches. PWM patches. PWM. We'll do patch. P1 patches. PWM. Then we'll do full gaps. That's fine. I know it's gonna fail. Do vim, and then we'll do dwm.c.rej. All right. So insert, and then no, I didn't hit enter, did I? I need to remove one of these if statements right here. Remove this one. I think it's this one. And then this for statement. Then we need to add one in. We're going to do equals m cap x, and then we'll do 4 equals 0. I can type my. God, that's some ugly C C++ code. Equals next child client, the client, and C equals next child next. God, that's ugly. I wonder why it didn't work. Yeah, they do. Well, it's not even just the pointers. It's the damn the linked list too. I don't mind pointers, but when you start getting into like linked list and all that stuff, that's when my brain just kind of starts to melt. Yeah. I don't understand why. Like, this is confusing now. Like half of the stuff ain't even here for this. Why for yank?